Let's learn about Apertus, and today we will test it using Python cores. We will also look at Hindi and Punjabi support. This is a multilingual Swiss LLM. It's ethical and open LLM model. Unlike many closed source AI giants, Apertus is transparent, respects creator rights, basically using the data only for which it has permissions, and works in 1800 plus languages. This is truly amazing. Let's directly dive into testing it and see how it works. I will provide access to this Colab notebook so you can all run it and enjoy it in your free time. We need a Hugging Face login credentials. For this, I have added my Hugging Face token. In your case, you might have to add your token here for it to work. If you don't have access to it, you would just actually go online and request access. This is free for everyone to use. All right. Finally, we are going to directly load model in the GPU on the Colab. This is 8 billion parameter model. There are different variants available. This is again a very powerful model, and let us run it. Loading it takes some time, so I have already loaded it for my audience. Okay. Finally, we can run the first chat message. I'm asking it, who are you? In this one, we are specifying the roles like user and content. These are the specific chat templates. Follow my channel and I have different videos to explain to you about chat templates. It is telling us that I am Apertus, a helpful AI assistant created by Swiss AI Initiative, and so on. So it's answered pretty well. If we look at the output, these outputs are actually numbers. This is actually the goal of the tokenizers, which converts this number back to the words. Again, follow my channel. We have dedicated videos to explain this. This notebook is complete and you can run it end to end. Next, I have written a separate function on which we can call it again and again. For example, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Write a short poem about autumn. This is again English testing. Let us run it and wait for the responses in some time. I'm loading the entire notebook, an entire model in the GPU. So we do have access to GPU models on the Colab cloud. Quantum computing is a type of computing that uses quantum bits. Okay. Next is answering like the autumn's poem, autumn gentle touch, a canvas of gold, leaf rusty gold, so on. It's doing quite reasonable. Let us do Hindi testing, which is interesting. क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग को सरल शब्दों में समझाएं. शब्द ऋतु पर एक छोटी कविता लिखिए. So this model does support Hindi actually. I was pretty surprised by it. And it's open source with all the documentation available, all the training code available and data as well. क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग एक प्रकार की कंप्यूटिंग है जिसमें क्वांटम बिट्स का उपयोग किया जाता है. So like you see, it's Hindi responses are pretty reasonable actually. Okay, and again it is written as a poem for us on the Shard Ritu. Like Shard Ritu, what we say in Hindi is actually the autumn weather. Let's also do Punjabi testing. This is actually really amazing. Hindi is a pretty well-spoken language. The traditional Indian languages like Punjabi and local languages have little less audience. It does support Punjabi too. I'm asking it to write quantum computing को सौखे शब्दों में समझाएं. पतझड़ से मौसम बारे एक छोटी कविता लिखी. Okay, so let us see how well it does on Punjabi. क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग एक नवी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो क्वांटम भौतिकी ਦੇ ਨਿਯਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ quantum bits ਨਾਮਕ ਛੋਟੇ ਯੂਨਿਟਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. It's actually written pretty well and it's actually grammatically correct too. So again, welcome to new source and new age of open source AI, where the models which will be released will not only be controlled by tech giants, but will be contributed by the entire community.